What's up, guys? My name is Zayden0, and welcome back to another episode of Multiplayer Tornado Survival, Season 2, episode number 50. We are here on the 50th episode, halfway point to episode 100. I can't believe it. We started this back in April. I'm joined by Hayden. Today, I'm on top of a mountain in the savannah. Alrighty.
Oh, you're over there.
So, today we have shaders turned on, and it looks amazing. I mean, just look at this. You can see Hayden down there. Alrighty, so let's get this tour started. We will be going in every detail with every building that was ever built. It's not going to be in order, so don't think that it will. Hayden will probably be following me around most of the time, so yeah. Alrighty, we will be starting off with technically one of the first buildings that was ever here. Alrighty, so we are starting off over here in this section of town with the house that I lived in when we found this town, which is just a normal librarian house. Like, it's nothing too special.
It actually has no windows.
Yeah, now that I just realized that. But yeah, I lived in this house from episode 2 to about episode 7, I think. And then from episode 8 to now, I live in my mansion. So yeah, this
And then my first house was like this as well, and it was like right here about.
Yeah, right at the barn.
Reformed this a little bit, and then made it these two buildings.
Yep. So let's continue with the tour, which we will now be going on to the very first building that I ever built in this world,
Right here.
which is over here and is called the NWS office. Now, there's nothing much to go into detail about this building. I mean, it's kind of destroyed from a tornado that hit it just recently, which needs to be rebuilt. So, I mean, once we get that done, trust me, we'll have an episode for rebuilding the NWS office. So we come up here into the little spare room we have up here. Once again, once we redo the NWS office, this will be made into something. Right now, we don't really have anything in it. Around here is the little balcony. You can just look out, look at the clouds. And there used to be a weather station here with like an anemometer and a wind vane. And it got taken away by a tornado, and we have no idea where it is. So that's fun.
Right.
Alrighty, now on to the next building, which is my house, which I built right after the NWS office was built. This was built on episode 7, I believe. No, episode 4 we started building it. So yeah, my house is very interesting because it's a complex layout that I thought out in my head. So over here you have some armor stands. You have some, you know, little bushes here inside because I thought it looked nice. Here you have the living room with an F0 apparently in the distance.
Oh, we getting F0? Come on now.
We have a TV in here in the living room. It doesn't work. There's nothing on it. Hayden has something on his TV, which makes me laugh every time I see it. You come down here and you have the basement, which is just enough room for me to be able to plop a radar down, which I was in here when a tornado hit us just recently.
Yep.
So we come
Go to my channel for the video.
We come back upstairs. We head into the kitchen, which is, you know, nothing special. It's just, you know, a kitchen. Chest up here just for design. Fridge, design. You know, we have the obsidian furnaces, which there's some stone in here. I'll take that later.
I'm just gonna throw this away.
Understandable. So yeah, just a little normal kitchen. Maybe work on it sometime soon. Yeah, no.
Oh, that's wrong with music.
Wait, wait. There we go. We come in here and we have the kitchen, which I plan to have a Thanksgiving special on with Hayden. So, you know, we'll figure something out about that.
Nice.
But yeah, here's the kitchen.
I didn't realize they had plates and glass and stuff.
Yeah, I like it. I used it in my first series.
Works good.
Yeah, it does. Alright, now we head upstairs to the brewing station, which I enjoy very much. This is for when we need to brew all our potions, and we just come up here and you have tables set up, Ingredients will be up in the cabinets. Yeah. And here we have a storage room, which is nothing much, really. I mean, it's...
Very cluttered.
Yeah, very cluttered. It's nothing special. I didn't want it to be nothing special. Here's my bedroom, which I enjoy very much. With my modern bed, my clock, nightstand, all of that. You know, I have a TV in here which has literally nothing on it. So yeah, this is the bedroom. Now onto the backyard, which once again is nothing special, still working on it. Who knows what episode we'll work on that with, and oh my god, the waves are so cool.
Waves, oh yeah, you have shaders.
Okay, so this is just the backyard. We have a pool, we have a little hangout spot over there. We'll have more stuff put in at later dates, but you know, this is just the city for now.
Watch this crush me.
Let's hope it doesn't.
It did,
It didn't?
but it looks like absolute trash.
Why?
Because the shaders.
Wait, is it the grass and stuff?
Doesn't look too right. That's all.
Well, let's... Can watch my video
Oh
and
yeah, the grass. That's what this one is.
Yeah.
The grass is still messed up.
It's for 1.14, that's why. Alrighty, now we move on to our next building thing, I guess, which is the railway system. Which we don't use very much, but it is very efficient when we do need it. So, you know, you can come down here.
I built this, yay!
Hayden built this, and it was
something
very
I
cool.
actually did.
You know, I'm not gonna run through it, but, you know, it's...
Yeah.
One day we'll work on it and make it look really nice, but for right now, you know, it's just a railway system.
They have a lot of spots here. You have 6 of them around the city.
Yeah.
One here, one on the corner over there.
Desert,
My house. Yeah, there's one in the desert right there.
and then the savannah. Alrighty, head back to your house and we'll go to sleep and then continue the tour.
God, these shaders. My FPS kills.
Honestly, same. I would like to talk about something real quick, which is new series that we'll be bringing to the channel. With Hayden, we'll probably be bringing you guys Vanilla Survival. We're still working on figuring it out. But yeah, Vanilla Survival could be coming to you guys for 1.14 and 1.15. We will be working on that, building cities, islands, all of that. Building up like we're on this world. Just 10 times better because, you know, things don't get ripped to shreds. So yeah, that was my house, and that's the railway system. Next, we get to go... what should we do next? Let's just do these plots of land next. So, let's start off with the AFK fish farm, which recently, in recent episodes, if you've seen my episodes, it was destroyed by an ep4, I think it was. It was completely ripped apart, and the AFK fish farm was completely destroyed. So we had to rebuild it out of stone, and we will be building that on another episode. So, you know, we got some episode ideas here. Over here, we just have some plots of land ready for a building to be built on once I come up with ideas. But for now, they're just kind of sitting around. Over here, you have my Season 1 house. If you've watched, or if you are a long-time subscriber, basically since November of last year, you will know that this was the house I lived in my old series. And yeah, this is, brings back so many memories. But yeah, this is the plots of land next to my house, which we might give a name, who knows. But for now, plots of land. Next, we'll move on to one of our recent buildings, which is the sugarcane farm. It's nothing special. It's literally, we can just come down here and we're setting it up and working on how to build it.
Oh, yeah.
Hayden's working really hard on it, so, you know. At the moment, it doesn't work, but in the future, it will. This is the sugarcane farm. Here, we have a very odd building that I don't even remember when I built it. I don't even think I built it on an episode. but this building just kind of showed up one time. We're thinking of turning it into a mini store, mini convenience stores, so you can just come in and buy little things like food and stuff like that, and then, you know, just stuff like that. It's a basic needs store. Alrighty, next we can move on to the bigger store, which sells appliances, grills, couches, all of that. I mean, it's nothing special here as well. It was where one of our old multiplayer players used to have a house, and we tore it down once they left the series. And, you know, put this here, which needs to be put in the building of no return.
Oh, yeah.
Next, we have Hayden's house, which I love Hayden's house and the way it's designed. So you come in, you're greeted by a welcome mat, which I love so much. He has some armor stands set up. Nice little living room with the dumbest thing that's on the TV.
The great land of butt fumble.
This is Hayden's bedroom, which I said this when I was test recording, but I believe that Hayden should cut this off and make it a separate room. But he can do and, you know, do whatever he wants. No. But, yeah, I really like this house a lot. You know, you come over here, you have the kitchen. I think I just hit my head on the ceiling fan. He uses some stuff in here like ovens and washing machines and, sinks. I don't use that in my house. Maybe in the future I will, but he uses a lot more stuff in his house than I do. Little office area over here and lounging area. Then we come upstairs. I thought that was a place we'll stand there.
The printer does, but like I just have it.
Over here you have it's just an upstairs. Nothing special about it. I mean, you could come out and look at the windows and see the savannah and the fortress.
Oh yeah.
It looks really nice. You can come over here and look at the city.
It's actually a great view.
Yeah, it is. Alrighty. Now we come outside of Hayden's house on his bridge that's been torn down and rebuilt multiple times to the marketplace, which was built on episode 30. And this needs to be finished being built. This will have villagers in it trading their products they want to trade. And it just looks so nice for the town once it will be done. I love it. I hope you guys do too. We'll finish this sometime soon. Next, we move on to the stables, which were built on episode 7 or 8. Can't remember, but I neglected to build them for the longest time, and then finally I built it. You come up the stairs, there's nothing much. It's just a room with one piece of glowstone in it. But, you know, you have your horses here, our skeleton horses.
I haven't even used the horses yet.
Yeah. We don't really use them that much, but hey, it looks really nice. Alrighty, next up we have the barn, which replaced Hayden's house. Hayden's very first house he lived in, which was blown up by a creeper, and now we have pigs on the loose in the city, as you can see. This one is very destructible for tornadoes. So, like, when it gets hit, it literally loses everything.
Oh, wait, yeah, the creeper blew up right here, and you didn't have any snake clay on you.
Yeah. Come in here, and, you know, there's just some animals. I mean, we don't really use the animals except the sheep for when we need wool. That's really it. Alrighty, and someone put an oof sign here. Not sure where that came from, but alright.
That was definitely not me.
Next, we move on to a very important building, which is the armory, for before when we went to the end. And it had all of our end sets in it, including mine. So, even though me and Hayden were the only ones that went, we still built this building to hold everyone's end set. Alrighty, now we come back here to where a building used to be. And speaking of things that didn't used to be here, I'll have to head back over to my house. But Minxie's, when he used to be on this server, he used to have a house here. But unfortunately, it was hit by a tornado and completely torn apart, and we had to destroy it, unfortunately. Alrighty, let's hop back to the other side of the city, to my side of the town. So, there is a thing I forgot to talk about, which is the plots of land. So, if you've been watching the series for a while, you'll know that a long time ago when only the NWS office and my house were the only things standing, you used to come up here on the grass path and you used to come through a forest, and then you could head this way on another path, which would lead you to a place where I called it the Enchanted Forest. But unfortunately, like most things here that have been hit by a tornado, it was completely ripped apart.
Yeah.
Every tree was debarked and everything. And we lost the Enchanted Forest, and I had to tear it down. And that's why my house should be in a forest right now, but we tore it down after multiple tornado hits. Alrighty, back to the other side of town, where we want to continue going, which we are currently in the desert. Actually, you know what, let's just continue
I'm about
here.
to say, right here. You need to
This
talk
is
about
the
right here.
farm right here. I mean, there's nothing really special about this, which I do want to do very soon on an episode, because it is a very important building to us. So, I mean, there's nothing really much above, but if you head down in here, you will see all the carrots, basically where we have all our crops and where we get our food from. But, you know, we'll continue going down and do multiple layers, multiple floors that have different crops in them and stuff we eat and all that. So yeah, that's our farms. Alrighty, let's head out of this building. Move on to the mining shed, which is, I mean, it's nothing special. It does break our building code a lot, like the NWS office, but
Yeah, it goes with the NWS office.
it does look good. I do enjoy it a lot. It was originally a villager house. One time Hayden went in the mine through the villager house and came back up and there was a different building. He was very confused. I was very happy. There's nothing much to say about it. It's just a mine. There are some skeleton farms down there, but, you know, we kind of lost them after I demolished the whole entire place.
You need to come back. You need to talk about this.
Oh, yeah. So this area right here was where King Cookie's house used to be, and we will put his stuff in the building of no return. And if he does return, dang, he has lots of glowstone, but if he does return, he can grab all of his stuff in that building, and you know, that can be that. And we're not sure what we're gonna put here once we do. Like, we're still trying to figure out what we want to put here to replace his building, but you know.
Also, that building in the back we don't talk about, because, like, I blew it up 6 times the other
We
night.
do not mention that building on... Oh my god, that is the coolest picture ever. But we don't really talk about this building much or acknowledge that it even exists. But let me talk about it for a minute, since, you know, this is the tour of every building. So this was meant to be the enchanting table building, but after it was hit by several tornadoes, and then there's a chicken up there,
Wait. How did you end up there?
probably from a tornado, but after all of that, you know, we're just going to tear it down and replace it with multiple buildings up here. So let's head back to our houses and go to sleep and continue the tour once again, because we still have lots to talk about.
Yeah, I didn't think this was going to take this long when you said 30 minutes, but I guess so. We've already slept twice.
Yup. We are currently on 19 minutes. Just hit 19 minutes. Alrighty, let's head back out.
I figured that was a storm.
So, now we are going to move on to the church, which is not much, but once I built it, I made it look like a villager church and made it look like it was here all the time. And then eventually I just thought, you know what, let's turn this into something that has a really nice use. So I did, and I turned it into a watchtower. So you come inside, there's nothing special until you head up to the very top. This room we don't even use. You come up to the very top, and it is the most beautiful view you can get of the city. I mean, this is just amazing.
It is.
Alrighty. Now we can head down from this and look at some more buildings. Now we can talk about this little building here. So I thought we should use up this space because there was nothing here. I wanted to make another mining building, but I thought, you know what, that mining building's enough. Let's just make a house. So here's a little house. We're thinking of decorating it for Halloween. We're not sure yet, though.
It kind of just got hit by a tornado. Like,
it did get hit by a tornado.
Like...
So we're trying to figure out how to rebuild it and stuff. So yeah, that's that.
Is the storm getting close?
I can't see the storm.
I feel like it is.
Alrighty, now let's head over to the desert area. This right here is an unfinished project, which I'm not even sure if I want to finish, but, you know, we'll figure out something with it. This is the Nether building, which I like a lot. It's a very nice building.
It's pretty big for another portal.
Yeah. We'll figure out something with it, so let's, you know, just leave it alone for now, and we'll figure out something with it. You have another thing here, railway. This right here is the most crowded part of the city. But
yeah.
This is the building of no return, which will have multiple chests with names on them saying, you know, this is your stuff if you come back. Here it is. Have it back. So, yeah, this is the building of no return. Nothing special. This is the newest building, which I believe was built on either episode 48 or episode 49.
Oh, that could be trouble.
So this right here is a
tornado, by the way.
Oh god, is a watchtower house. So we will be continuing this on other episodes. So I'm not going to spoil anything about it, but I'll just let you look at it. So yeah, that's the watchtower house. Over here we have a very important building, which is the enchanting table building. And I really enjoy this building a lot, and how it looks. Has very nice.
I didn't even know this was here.
Has very nice designs on it. You can look out the windows and see the city. It is very nice. I just love the design of it. It's perfect. So yeah, this is the enchanting table building. We'll be working more on this sometime soon. This right here is a viewer's, you know, this can be suggested by the viewers what they want this building to be. Viewer choice. And, I mean, you guys can just pick it out. It's basically that easy. It's just pick out what you want it to be. I'll pick out my favorite and Hayden's favorite, and we'll see which one we want to build. Let's go back over towards the building we don't even talk about or acknowledge exists real quick, because I forgot to mention something.
It's already a big tornado, golly.
So, we can head over here on top of this hill. And a building that is no longer here and stayed with us ever since episode 4 or 5, I can't remember. We used to have a watchtower here made out of complete wood.
Yeah, and you can tell complete wood how that went.
It was my favorite watchtower. I loved it so much. We had so many good times with it, but eventually we had to tear it down after it was completely torn apart by an EF0.
Freaking F0.
Dumb to say. We thought the EF0 passed, but it completely just ripped it apart. Alrighty.
Speaking of tornadoes, that's doing whatever over there. I think it's an EF3.
Head back.
There's another tornado back there too.
Goodness. Alrighty. So let's head over here and take that down. We don't need that. The cactus farm. I like the design of the cactus farm. You know, you can walk in and just grab your cactus. It's that simple. The design is made so that you can get as much cactus as you need and won't run out on it anytime soon. Because, I mean, I just grabbed this a few episodes ago and it's already grown back.
Oh, we have twin F4s.
Oh, I remember that. But, yeah, this is the cactus farm. Once again, nothing special.
Coming straight at us, too.
Oh, God.
It's pretty far, though.
Over here, you have the Desert NWS office.
Which I was just using.
Which is still in
Twin weakening F4s.
Well, that could be a problem. Alrighty, so let's take a screenshot of that.
Let's just go away for now.
Alrighty, got that.
Worry if it gets a lot closer.
There's nothing special about this building either. Just an NWS office.
Yeah.
Alrighty. Over here we have a house that will overlook the river. I'm still kind of figuring out designs for it, so, you know, hold with me and stuff while I figure out the designs. Over here, there's kind of a practical building. This is the doctor's office for the zombie villagers that we will be curing. You know, we can take them into different rooms, treat them as patients. They can walk out a new man. Anyway.
That's great.
Now we have the updated version of the watchtower, which is indestructible, which I'm glad is indestructible. So let's head up here and, you know, give you guys a little tour. See, the thing I don't like about this is how there's two radars right next to each other, and it tricks me all the time. It looks like
It's true. I understand you, but like, it had to be centered to me, okay?
There were four. There's 4 EF4s. That's what's going on in my mind.
Yeah.
Anyways, you can take a look at the city.
Oh, I had this here watching that F1 go by.
I like this. Keep it here. But you know, you can look at how crowded the city's getting. I mean, just looking at this is so cool. I love it. Yeah. Alrighty. Let's head down from the watchtower. Actually, let's give you a little view of the savannah here.
Oh, yeah.
While we can. And over this way, yeah. So that's that. Alrighty. Let's go to some areas that are prime for buildings. So we have right here could be one building. And if we fit a small enough building, we could probably put one right here. Just little tiny houses and stuff. So yeah, just wanted to point that out real quick. Well, I still could.
Is that everything on this side?
Let me check real quick.
I think so.
Oh, the walls. So,
oh, yeah. Well, you were gonna get onto that anyway.
Yeah. This is basically the wall that holds in the city, so we don't get invaded by pillagers. Just kind of a little backstory there, you know. We don't get invaded by anybody, you know. We'll be good for a few hundred more episodes. But, you know, we have a little wall here, and then it connects to the bridge, which looks so good to me. I love it so much. We're going to be rebuilding this a little bit, and instead of wood stairs and wood blocks here, we'll be replacing it with stone brick, because it can get ripped apart by tornadoes easily. And
so you can see some of the parts are not finished here on the bridge.
Yeah. This wall extends for a very long time because I just wanted to, you know, get all the areas included in the desert and stuff. So, I mean, it goes on for... Nice, Zayden.
You fell in the river.
Let's get out of here. Guess we'll be... This is the only thing I don't like about the wall. If you fall off, you're done. But, yeah, it goes on for a while in the desert, and it ends right here. Yeah, that's kind of it.
This tornado's about to ruin this whole thing, isn't
it? Yeah, as we see the sunset behind the destroyed woodland mansion. Let's head over to the savannah.
Okay, it should miss.
And look at the newest buildings there, which we'll be working on very soon. So let's go take a look at that. So Hayden planted these acacia trees, which look very nice.
Actually have trees with leaves.
Hold on a second. Run on that bridge. Go back and run on the bridge.
Oh, I see. You're getting a screenshot.
Yeah. Alright, run towards me. Oh, that's perfect. Alrighty. So yeah, this is the savannah.
So good. You get the sunset with the beautiful trees and the whole city, and then the tornado in the background.
Oh my god, that looks so sick. Alrighty, so this is the savannah. You have a railway system connecting to the roofed forest. Then you have a little house here, which I think has already been hit by a tornado, if I'm not mistaken.
No, it hasn't. I don't think so.
It hasn't? Oh.
No.
But, you know, it's a little nice house.
I think it's been close before.
We've been just kind of adding stuff in to make it look good.
Yeah.
Over here, you might have another enchanting table place. was loud. Alrighty. We have another enchanting table place. And then back here we have the Savannah NWS office.
Which is still a work in progress.
Which is still a work in progress, yes. Alrighty, well, that concludes today's episode and world tour. We'll be expanding the Savannah more on future
Hang on,
episodes.
you forgot one more.
What did I forget?
How could you?
Oh, this. Which is another railway system we'll be expanding over here, and it just kind of exists. But, you know, that's that. Let's head up on the hill and end this amazing episode with these awesome shaders. I'm setting my background to Hayden running on the bridge because that looked amazing. But
my background is still the tornado on the F1 hitting us.
Oh my god.
First tornado that hit us.
Yeah. Alrighty, well,
look at this view.
With a sheep right here, and
can you like set it to sunset real quick?
Our amazing slash
time set 12,500.
12,500.
Yeah, perfect. That looks absolutely amazing.
Alright, that's perfect. Well, with the sun setting there, thank you guys for watching. And me and Hayden will see you guys next time. Bye.